Okay, we're going to take a look at code.org, Unit 4, Lesson 1. This is the 24-25 curriculum, so there are some areas where there have been a few changes from last year. A lot of it is the same. So the first two levels in Lesson 1 are just a pre-unit poll. It's asking you your thoughts. There's not really a right or wrong answer there, so I'm starting with level 3. What it wants you to do is to test this app out by clicking run, and you click the rock. You can see the clicks go up. Once you get to 20 clicks, you can buy this feature to increase, and now every time I click it goes up by 2, and I can keep doing that. Once I reach a certain level, you can tell the bunny ears appear, so I need to keep clicking the bunny to make something happen. I'm going to upgrade now. And now every time I click, it's going up by 20, which makes it a lot faster. And we're hoping eventually this bunny will be complete. All right, so once you exceed 500 clicks, we get the magic rainbow bunny. It wants you to discuss features this app has, be ready to share. Obviously, there's an action that is triggering a count down here, and that is the concept of a variable. So I just want to take this moment to mention, if you are brand new to coding, brand new to this, variable is one of the cornerstones of coding and programming. What a variable does in coding and programming is it allows you to store information in a named piece of code. It could be a number, it could be text, it could be a state of true or false. But as we continue to go through Unit 4 and these lessons, we'll learn different ways we can use variables. So again, this next example is showing you a situation where we're able to do something with an app. We click a button and then the associated word shows up. Okay, a mini poem maker. Again, what's happening is each one of these buttons has a text in it. We technically could have one variable, but when we click a button, that word is assigned to it. Again, we'll work on that one later, and how all that works. But again, not a lot to go through there. This next one also showing you, hey, we could store things like logins. So we type Ray's house, hot and cold, log in, and now we can also adjust the thermostat, okay, based on that. So lots of cool stuff going on there. All right, we're going to check for understanding. I apologize, this one kind of gets ruined because the answer is showing up, but this is a good question. Just some syntax. This is pseudocode. Those of you taking this class is an AP. It's similar to the pseudocode you'll see on the AP exam. So what we're doing is we're creating a variable called score. We're then assigning a value of 3 to that variable score. Now we're saying, hey, whatever score was, we're going to take that value and add 1 to it. And then the next one we're saying, okay, we're going to store a string. Notice the quotation marks. The score is, and then we have a plus. This is something called a concatenation. I really want to disable that AI tool there. All right, so we're going to have the score is, and then a space. Notice the space is included in the string, and then the value stored in score previously, which was 4. So the correct answer is the score is 4. A very common mistake on this one is to just say 4 is the answer, but the actual answer is the score is 4. Quick lesson there. We will be back with lesson 2 shortly.